What's up friends, welcome back to my video, and today I will give you a short but powerful tip while you're color grading a big project. You want to use this Lightbox, and in this video I'm gonna tell you why. Alright, so you're grading your project, but once in a while you want to see just all the clips that you graded, and you want to see if you are still on the right track with your colors. So how can you do that? You go to Lightbox up here, you click on it, and boom, here you can see all your clips that you graded. And right here you see I have a really steady, consistent color in my film. So let's say you want to have a bigger overview of all the clips in your project. You go to this icon, click on the circle, and if you pull it to the left, you can better see the overview of the consistency. So I use the Lightbox a lot because it's pretty easy to jump from the first clip to the last clip. So let's say I want to grade this clip. I click on it and I click on Lightbox, and boom, we are at this clip. But now we want to grade the last clip. Click on the last clip or just the clip here. Click on Lightbox, and boom, we can manipulate this clip. Pretty cool. But another feature that I want to show you is you can select multiple clips and put them next to each other. So how to do this? You go to this icon up here. You want to select the split screen, and then you want to select clips. So right up here, you see select clips. You go to the Lightbox, and now, for example, say I want to select all of my darker clips, okay? So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, something like this. Just an example, how everything looks like in the dark. And then we go back to our Lightbox, and boom, we have set all the darker images next to each other. And it looks pretty good. That was it for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, as always, give me a thumb up, leave something in that comment section, and I'm gonna check you out in my next video. Bye bye!